So I'm sure that you've heard of QuickBooks Commerce. You can hook up your different sales channels to your QuickBooks software, QuickBooks Online software, so you can kind of see that activity. Now, in order to get there, you're going to go down here to this Commerce button in my left toolbar. And then I've not connected this yet, but I'm going to connect my Shopify. Cross your fingers. I personally, side note, hate doing these live connections while I'm on video, because if it goofs up, then you watch me clicking all over the place. So then it's going to say, let's connect your Shopify account. We're going to bring in your data going back to here. Here's a quick spoiler alert. I don't actually have any data in there yet. I just did this today. Katie's. I'm going to pause the recording real quick while I pull my... Okay, guys, we're live again. I found it. Katie demo, do not touch. So you could tell I was trying to make sure I knew which one was Katie's. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and sign in with my Gmail account. I set myself up as a user. Let's see. Great. Let's hit next. And then we added new accounts in your books to track Shopify. And Shopify is ready. Let's go. And you can see you can also connect another channel as well. So now I have a second homepage, y'all, where we have our QuickBooks Commerce information here. Okay. This is a newer feature to QuickBooks Online Advanced, but here's something you're going to love. QuickBooks Commerce is also available in Plus. I think it's available in Essentials, but I'm not for sure. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know, okay? We just showed you the linking of your e-commerce accounts. And what and you can see right here, we've got our channel connections right here. And if we want to connect another sales channel, we can also do Amazon and eBay. Let's see, scroll down. But yeah, you've got a ton of information. You can see all your orders as they come in. You can see your payouts. For those of us from the old days where you're having to take deposits in, like your batch deposits, and net out your fees and the rest of it, like the old school way, this is going to be a lifesaver. Okay, so that right there was your e-commerce account. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching our channel. We have some great content coming your way. Thank you so much to our loyal subscribers, and I can't wait to talk to you again soon. Bye.